ora koutou, ko rāpata wiri, tēnei nau mai ki Reo Ora. Kia ora everyone, it's Rāpata Wiri here and welcome to Reo Ora. So today I wanted to tell you a famous love story of Hinemoa and Tutanekai. And here we are at Hinemoa Point Marae in Rotorua, which is a very famous place in the history of the Te Aroa people, because this is a place where Hinemoa met her love Tutanekai. And it was from this particular spot that she swam across from the rock, Iri Kapua, to see her love Tutanekai on Makoia Island. So this is a famous story in the history of Aotearoa and of the Māori people. So stay tuned and practice these two names, Hinemoa, Tutanekai. Ka kite a koe nei. See you soon.